Hey everyone, my name is Raju and you are watching CoinMaster Raju. Have you ever wondered how to build a decentralized application that's fast, affordable and ready for real-world uses? Well, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into the XDC network, a hybrid blockchain that's perfect for building scalable and cost-effective dApps. Whether you are a seasoned developer or just starting out, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know to build your own dApps on XDC. Let's get started. Before we jump into how, let's talk about the why. Why should you choose XDC for your dApp? Well, imagine this. You are building an app but you don't want to deal with slow transaction, high fees or complicated step-ups. That's where XDC shines. Low fees, XDC transaction fees are a fraction of what would you pay on Ethereum. Think pennies instead of dollars. Blazing speed, XDC can handle 2000 transactions per second, way faster than Ethereum's 15. Energy efficiency, XDC uses XGPOS consensus, which is not only fast but also eco-friendly. Interoperability, XDC smart contracts can talk to other blockchains, opening up endless possibilities for cross-chain apps. Whether you are building a DeFi platform, an NFT marketplace, or a supply chain solution, XDC has the tools to make it happen. First thing first, what is XDC? XDC is a hybrid blockchain, meaning it combines the best of both public and private blockchains. It's secure, transparent, and scalable, making it ideal for enterprise-grade applications. Think of it like this: if Ethereum is a busy city with traffic jams and high tolls, XDC is a super highway with no traffic and minimal tolls. It's built to handle heavy loads without breaking a sweat. Now, that you know why XDC is awesome, let's get your development environment ready. Here's what you will need. First, set up a private network. Smart by creating a private XDC testnet. This is like your sandbox, a safe space to experiment without risking real assets. Second, install XDC Pay. This is your gateway to the XDC network, similarly to a MetaMask for Ethereum. Third, get familiar with tools. You will use tools like Remix for writing smart contracts and a simple web compiler for compiling them. Now, here's where the magic happens. If you work with Ethereum, you feel right at home because XDC uses Solidity, the same programming language. First, write your smart contract. Use Remix to write the logic for your dApp, whether it handling transaction, managing data, or executing business rules. Your smart contract is the backbone of your dApp. Second, compile your contract. Use simple web compiler to convert your Solidity code into a ABI and bytecode. This step prepares your contract for development. Third, deploy on XDC. Use Wallet CLI to deploy your smart contract to the XDC network. Once deployed, your contract is live and ready to interact with. Now take a look on building the front end. A dApp isn't complete without a user-friendly interface. Here's how to connect your frontend to the XDC network. Firstly, integrate XDC API. Use the XDC API to connect your frontend. Build with React, Angular, or any framework to your smart contract. Secondly, enable wallet connectivity. Let user interact with your dApp using XDC Pay. This allows them to sign transaction and interact with your smart contract seamlessly. But before you go live, it's crucial to test your dApp thoroughly. Use your private network to simulate real-world scenarios and fix any bugs. Once you are confident, deploy your dApp on the XDC mainnet and watch it come to life. Still not convinced? Let's talk real-world use cases. Companies like trade finance are using XDC to revolutionize trade finance, while StoreX is building decentralized cloud storage solutions. These aren't just ideas, they are real applications solving real problems. XDC scalability, low fees, and interoperability make it top choice for developers and businesses alike. Whether you are building a small project or an enterprise's great solution, XDC has the tool to help you succeed. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the XDC developer protocol link in the description and start building your dApp today. Whether you are a solo developer or a part of team, XDC make it easy to turn your ideas into reality. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more blockchain content. Let's build the future of decentralized app together, one block at a time.